Kudos makes clinical trials and other pharmaceutical research more discoverable. We tell the story of research. That research can include clinical trials, published articles, meetings, and congress abstracts. And we do this through stories. Stories are pages that provide an easy to understand, plain language summary of the research, and then we link up all of the underlying evidence to support that research. Publications, videos, images, infographics, interviews, patient information leaflets, and so on. We can tailor stories for different types of audiences, e.g. HCPs, patients, media, the public, and we tailor both the language and the selection of outputs and evidence that are most appropriate for each audience. We then roll these stories up into showcases to create beautiful magazine-style pages that can be searched and browsed and structured in a very flexible way, for example by company or therapy area. And these showcases make the research more discoverable and accessible to readers. And our compliance solution helps to ensure that only the right type of audience, such as healthcare professionals from a particular territory, are accessing your pages. We then capture and report on the metrics for both stories and showcases to give you insight into who is reading and using these pages. In summary, Kudos makes clinical trial and other pharmaceutical research more discoverable. We do this by providing stories which bring together plain language summaries and the underlying evidence that supports the research. We then create beautiful branded showcases that group stories relating to a drug, therapy area, or pharmaceutical company. Our showcases help build audience for the research as they make it more discoverable and accessible with our SEO and the fact that all of our pages are optimized for mobile as well as desktop. And then we report on the metrics for stories and showcases, providing you with insight and analysis, helping you better understand and serve your community. This allows you to provide a user-centered view of research evidence, helping to improve both clinical decisions as well as patient and public awareness and understanding. You can learn more at growkudos.com.